Hi, welcome to Velo. I'm Tina Coleman, the Corporate Training and Business Development Manager here, and I'd like to welcome you to next week's WiAcademy, our Water Management Product Intensive. We're going to start the training off on Monday night for a kind of a welcome party at 6 o'clock at 13 North, which is just a couple of miles down the road from us, with a beer and appetizers at 6 p.m. and then a sit-down dinner at 6:30. Our training will start on Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning at 8:30 a.m., focusing on Velo solutions to solids handling, solids processing, and clean water solutions. Tuesday night, we'll also have a group dinner at Water Street Brewery, which is right down the road from your hotel at Town Place Suites. We are looking forward to you joining us next week for the WiAcademy Water Management Product Intensive. In the meantime, if you have any questions or need more information, give us a call or email me. And again, welcome to Velo.